Good afternoon, Fraser here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2011 Ford F350 Super Duty Lariat. We're going to do the outside. We'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just getting outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. As you can see, I'm trying to get the angles in here for you as well so you can see condition for yourself. Big reason why we love doing these video walkarounds. Saves a bunch of time on both sides and you have a great idea of what you're coming in to see. But as you can see, it does have the tow mirrors, the rear tinted windows, the running boards. I believe that's a power rear slider. See, it's a FX4 off-road. Backup camera, backup sensors, tow pack. Does have the bed liner. Looks like there's a stinger with it as well. Again, let's get these angles in here for you. Get down here on tires in just a moment. This also has the remote start, which is really nice. Do that. All right, we'll get down here on the tires. Tires in still really good condition. Got a lot of people on the lot today. But the show must go on. Gotta get these video walkarounds done. Fog lights. All right, let's get the condition of the inside here. Heated mirrors, as you can see. Let's open this guy up. Excuse me. Power windows, power locks, power memory seats, power fold-in mirrors. As you can see, it has a WeatherTech type floor mats available with this vehicle as well. Leather seems in really good condition. Third seat, front row. Let's get the passenger seat here for you. And as you can see up there, it does have the sunroof. Back seat here for you. Get it to focus. Sorry about that. Running a new phone here. Again, power slider. Rear seats there. Let's get some features up front. As you can see, it has a steering wheel, or the pedal adjusters there. We got steering wheel controls there. Factory tow assist there with the 4-wheel drive. Stock stereo, heated and cooled seats. Backup camera is in the rearview mirror there. All right, let's take a look underneath the hood before we turn it over. I'll drop the hood, lock it, and we'll do the remote start. It's a great feature on any vehicle, especially when it's really cold out or it's been or it's really hot out. If I can find the latch here, guys, I do apologize. I probably should have done this before the video, so I knew where it was. Where are you? Of course, the latch is probably... Oh, of course. I apologize, folks. You probably want to take a look at the engine. Oh, it's right in front of my face. Oh, I feel so silly. I do apologize. It's right here. And I missed it. One of them days. All right, guys. I do say this in my videos all the time. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I like to get this in here the best I can for you. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few others, so you know what you're looking for. Now, all of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected. Let's do this. We'll lock this guy. You know, and I would encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau. our Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business. Well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. There we go. You wait for that coil to warm up. There it is running. I'll then hop inside. We'll check out the dash and all the lights. There's mileage for you. Sure, this is going to be a relatively affordable diesel, but those are pretty much baby miles anymore on these guys. Oh, we got the fan going good. It is chilly outside. There's the mileage there. Fuel economy, probably not quite right. These idle a lot. There's a rear view mirror there, or I mean, I should say backup camera. Everything works fantastically. We'll turn on some lights. I'll pop that hood again. Maybe I'll get the latch this time, huh guys? That was silly before. All right. There it is, purring along. Hopefully this helped answer some questions. You know, if there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out, take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever we can do to help, we're happy to do it. Just give us a call or a text. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. We'll see you next time.